Hello everyone, welcome to Grade 10 Selection and Revision Guide. Open any browser and search for REPS Placement Education Go key. This link will take you to the following landing page. On this page, you will see the Login button and three tabs at the bottom: Get Started, Placement Results, and Download Letter. Click on the Login button at the top right corner. You will land on this Login dialog box. Type in the junior school selection username and password. Please be keen here. Then you will be prompted to fill in the verification code shown on the page. Click on the Sign In tab. You will land on this home page. Click on Request Transfers on the left sidebar. Clicking on this side menu will avail all the learners in your school. It will also reveal the senior school's learners have been placed. Select the learner you wish to transfer in the list. Then click the Next button at the far right bottommost corner. The action will take you to the next page. On this page, you are expected to select the institution type. You either select private on your left or public on your right. Click the Next button on the bottom right. You will land on this page where you are expected key in the reason for transfer. Once you type in the reason, check the confirmation box. Click the Next button at the bottom right. The following landing page will be displayed. Selection your preferred pathway from the three. After selecting the pathway, click the Next button on the bottom right. You will land on this page. Select the subject combination from the list. Scroll through using the buttons on your bottom right to expand your selection. Click the Next button on your bottom right. You will land on this page. Select the school you wish to transfer to. You can expand the list using the buttons on bottom right. Check the box to the left side of the school. You will be allowed to select a maximum of 4 schools, that's C1, C2, to 3, and C4. Click Next. You will land on this last page. Confirm that all the details are captured correctly. Click the Submit button on the bottom right to complete the exercise.